Have you ever wondered what open source software is? Just like in the thrilling tales of superheroes, our world too has a unique hero. Open source software. It's summoned into missions every day, tackling problems that seem impossible to the untrained eye. Open source software is a game changer, a disruptor in the tech world. Its superpowers, transparency, collaboration, and freedom. Imagine a superhero who could see through walls. That's transparency, allowing us to peer into the very code that builds our digital world. Then there's collaboration, a power that unites minds from across the globe, harnessing their collective knowledge. It's like our superhero summoning a global team of experts, each bringing their own unique skills to the table. And of course, the power of freedom, enabling anyone to modify and share the software. It's like our hero granting every person the power to shape their own destiny, to make changes as they see fit. Just like a superhero, open source software is always ready to save the day, offering its superpowers to anyone who dares to use them. Now let's delve into these superpowers, shall we? Open source software offers us three main superpowers. First, we have transparency, our very own X-ray vision. This allows us to see right through the code, understanding its inner workings and making it easier to spot bugs or security flaws. Next, we have collaboration. Think of it as telepathy that connects developers across the globe. This superpower allows us to learn from others, share ideas, and improve the software together, making it stronger and more efficient. Finally, the freedom superpower gives us the ability to shapeshift, to adapt the software to our unique needs. We can modify it, customize it, and even distribute it, giving us total control over the code. With these superpowers at hand, open sourcey software is not just a tool, but a superhero ready to take on any challenge. But what does it mean when we say open source software is free? Well, it's not simply about zero cost, like grabbing a free slice of pizza at a party. It's more profound, akin to the freedom you feel when you're soaring high in the sky, unbound by any constraints. Open source software is free in the sense that it gives you the liberty to use it, modify it, and distribute it as you please. Think of it as a tech superhero armed with the power of freedom. You're not just a passive consumer. You're an active participant. You can tweak the software to suit your needs, share it with others, or even contribute to its development. Imagine building applications in Microsoft Power Apps, but with the added freedom to customize and share them freely. The possibilities are limitless. The power is in your hands. So open source software is not just free as in free pizza, but free as in freedom. It's a superhero that provides you with the power and freedom to create, innovate, and transform the tech world.